Dear colleagues, for your attention we're gonna show you this small film about actual experiment was taken on mice by Professor Boris Surinov from Obninsk, Russia. This video evidence of the experiment on the influence of the spectral information copy of acetylsalicylic acid as an aspirin on a mice blood coagulation. In this video, the main stages of experiment are demonstrated. For its execution, the following procedures were carried out. Connect the computer to the internet. Insert a blank CD into the disk drive. Enter the BodyFrag website www.bodyfrag.com. Choose from the list and download from the Technical Center the IC of aspirin. Download time is 12 minutes. While downloading the informational copy, the spectral emission specific for acetylsalicylic acid is induced into an analog form on the compact disc. This emission is designated as an information copy, IC. Remove the CD from the computer's disk drive. Activity of the IC, ability to reproduce the properties of the drug substance in the water, is stored on the CD for no more than a month and a half. In order for IC activity to be induced in the water, it is necessary to place the glass of water on a CD for 40 minutes. In the experiment, another glass of water was placed on a blank CD that was not affected with IC. Two groups of mice were administered with an achromatic needle intragastrically with 5 ml of water, exposed respectively to the experimental and control CD. The experiments were blind. Experimentations were not informed where is the control and where is the test CD, as well as they were not informed about the control and experimental groups of mice. These trials were carried out for 4 days. After 4 days, mice blood samples were obtained, observing the rules of human treatment of laboratory animals. 2 drops of blood from each of 2 comparative groups of mice were placed in a lab test glass. On this shot we can evidence and evaluate a process of coagulation of blood drops. By using 2 thin glass sticks, they checked a time for appearance of fibrin filaments. Here it is possible to see that such filaments appear on the right side blood sample number 2. The blood sample number 1 on the left side instantly has shown a high liquefaction. This left side blood sample was obtained from the mice that were receiving for 4 days IC, containing water with acetylsalicylic acid carried over by the BodyFrag Tech Center. The information copy of acetylsalicylic acid as aspirin reproduces anti-aggregative, anticoagulant activity characteristic for the substance of this preparation. Thank you for your attention.